I'm Moce Ravukivuki from the Ministry of Rural Maritime Development, leading Cluster 3 of the relief assistance and the operations that we are carrying out for the entire week. Well, we started off with Oneata on day 1, and here we are on the last day of the operation. We've seen the work that we have carried out. We have covered all the islands that we were supposed to cover, starting from Oneata right up to Ono-i-lau, acknowledging the work that has been done by the team, our military personnel, team from Red Cross, Empower Pacific, and with other agencies like Water Authority, Department of Energy, Team Health, that made up of the team that we came together. We also acknowledge the work done by Ministry of Information of sharing the work, the load that was carried out in the entire week. We covered all the islands which were supposed to be done, and we've seen the reality on the ground, what was seen on the ground, and also the relief supplies, the food rations that were delivered, also with the non-food items that were distributed to the islands. In regards to agriculture, the assessment that was done throughout the islands, they've given us that 60 to 80% damage to the crops on the islands, and we have also got information from the engineers from the RFMF who are doing the assessment on the homes that were damaged. We've got a few that are on our list now that will be submitted as our report to the tour that we are on, the operation that we are doing. Of the 6 islands, the total that were given was 600 plus. We are looking at completing Ono-i-lau, leaving for Suva with all the rations distributed, and we would like to see that the last island, the last village, Matokana, we're at Nukuni now, then we'll move to Matokana to finish off all the rations that were listed for the team. Few of the islands we have seen, they've prepared well. They've planted the crops that were supposed to be planted during the cyclone seasons, but that will also bring a lesson to the other islands to be prepared. We know that cassava is was the most damaged crop that we've seen throughout the islands. Other crops can be maintained to assist in terms of the damages that are done. On this note, I would like to share our sincere gratitude and Vanuabalavu to the team for the hard work that we have done, especially for the weather that we came. We started off in Suva, the difficulty in the weather that we came through, but the team maintained that composure to try and assist those on the islands. As we finish today, we will be submitting our report on the damage assessments and rations that we have delivered to the islands, and we'll await for further directions from government.